Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we will take a closer look at the SilverStone Extreme 850R Platinum and 850 watt SFX power supply. What makes this power supply stand out is its departure from the conventional 80+ certification in favor of the innovative Cybernetics Platinum certification. Before we dive into the details, I'd like to apologize again for my bad or imperfect English. I hope you can still follow along. I'm afraid I can't technically put a power supply unit through fancy lab tests, so I'm pretty much tied to what I can dig up on the internet. Therefore, this review is based on available informations, and keep in mind that I will be sharing my personal impressions at the end. And in my search for a new power supply for my home server, SilverStone came to my support. Thank you very much. The SilverStone Extreme 850R Platinum is an SFX power supply with 850 watts of power and host of features that may not immediately wow you, but underneath, SilverStone has truly packed it with the latest standards and innovations. Let's begin with the Cybernetics Platinum certification. Instead of relying on the widely used 80+ label, SilverStone has opted for Cybernetics Platinum certification. This marks a noticeable shift, aiming to attain greater precision and transparency in evaluating the power supply's efficiency. With dimensions of 125mm and 63.5mm to 100mm, this power supply is ideal for compact cases and small form factor builds. It just weighs 1.5 kilograms. This power supply complies with the Intel SFX 2V version 4 standard and provides a Gen 5 12V HPWR PCI connector for reliable power delivery. So you could use your latest NVIDIA graphics card with this special connector. This PSU features 100% modular cable management with flat, flexible cables, making installation and cable management in tight cases a breeze. The power supply offers high efficiency with 89 and 91 total efficiency and is designed for 24/7 operation at an operating temperature of 50 degrees. The fan inside the power supply is a 92mm FDB fan equipped with an intelligent fan stop and delayed shutdown features to keep noise levels low. For those who want to hear it and base their purchase decision on it, what should not be relevant in my opinion is the exclusive use of Japanese capacitors. And here we have additional technical data like input voltage, frequency range, power factor correction, mean time between failure, operating temperature, safety features like overcurrent protection, overload protection, overvoltage protection, overtemperature protection, undervoltage protection, and so on. Important key point: what connections or cables come with the device? One 24 or 20 pin motherboard connector, two 8 or 4 pin EPS ATX 12V connectors, two 8 or 6 pin PCIe connectors, one 12V HPWR connector for graphics card, 8 SATA connectors, 4 peripheral connectors, and one 4-pin floppy connector. What truly sets the SilverStone Extreme 850R Platinum apart from other power supplies is its utilization of the Cybernetics Platinum certification instead of the traditional 80+ certification. This step allows for a more precise and transparent evaluation of the power supply's efficiency. The 80+ certification evaluates efficiency at 10%, 20%, 50% and 100% loads, using a somewhat relaxed benchmark that doesn't account for factors like ambient temperatures variations within the testing environment. In contrast, Cybernetics conducts more comprehensive tests with stricter environmental conditions. Cybernetics has introduced a new certification program with ETA and Lambda ratings, which takes power supply assessments to the next level. ETA or ETA rating evaluates efficiency using over 1000 load points, enabling finer differentiations. The overall efficiency is calculated from measurements at all load points. This average value puts the power supply into different efficiency classes from A+ to D. The ETA assessment also factors in power factor 5 VSB efficiency and standby losses. If any of these parameters perform worse than required for the given efficiency class based on an overall efficiency, the power supply is downgraded by one class. The Lambda certificate. This rating assesses the noise level of the power supply fan and classifies it into 7 categories from A++ to E based on an A-weighted sound pressure level. And if you like, Cybernetics conducts extensive testing and publishes the results in a database on their website. The SilverStone Extreme 850R Platinum comes at a price of approximately 250 euros, which may not be considered budget friendly. However, it competes with other high-quality SFX power supplies on the market. Some alternatives models include the Fantex Revolt SFX-PSU 5.0, priced around 220 euros, and another Cooler Master model which costs around 350 euros. In conclusion, I like to share my personal impressions with you. The build quality of this power supply is top notch and it comes really good packaged. The additional button on the rear of the power supply allows for a quiet operation as long as the temperature limit isn't exceeded, which is a fantastic feature. While the flat cables are practical, they could be more flexible, as they may be too rigid for some cases. Though I couldn't fully load it with my setup, considering its unassuming features and future-proof standards, this power supply offers excellent value for money compared to other brands. To sum it up, the SilverStone Extreme 850R Platinum is a quite impressive and great pickup for high-end SFX systems. And summarized briefly in bullet points: excellent build quality, silent operation button, cable flexibility, value for money, strong SFX option, and the Cybernetics Platinum certification, which gives us a lot of transparency. Thank you for watching. Feel free to follow my channel and leave a comment on what you like to see next.